Hello lovely people and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how to make sustainable Christmas decorations. Now December is fast approaching and I know some of you are Christmas freaks and you want your decorations as early as possible. I'm not necessarily that type of person, but I guess Christmas puts me in a little bit more of a homey mood. So I decided this year I'm going to make my decorations instead of buying ones which are kind of sustainable, aka made of wood instead of plastic or glass, I guess. But in most cases those come in plastic anyways. So last year I felt very helpless, I guess. I didn't want to buy any Christmas decorations at all. So this year I decided, you know what, I'm going to make some. So today I will be showing you how to make some sustainable Christmas decorations. And if you're not necessarily a crafty or creative person, do not worry about it. These are so easy and they include just the easiest found things that you can get. So let's crack on and make some Christmas decorations. So all you will need in order to make these beautiful Christmas decorations are some branches, some pine cones, some leaves or stalks, some twine, scissors and a knife, dehydrated oranges, more leaves and branches, and some more leaves and branches. Just go to a forest and pick whatever you like. You can make the dehydrated oranges in your oven for about 2-3 hours at a very low temperature. First, take some twine and some pine cones. Cut a small piece of the twine. Twist the twine on the little bit that's sticking out of the pine cone by the bottom of it. Then tie that up together and then tie the two ends of the twine together to make a loop. And then cut the excess twine off. And there you have it. You have an ornament. Now take the dehydrated oranges and another small piece of twine. Make a hole in the middle of the orange with a knife. Be careful, make sure the hole is big enough so that your twine fits through. And then tie the twine together like so, like that. Tie the two ends of the twine together to make a loop. And then cut the excess twine off with the scissors. And now you have an orange ornament. Cut a long piece of string and make a hole in one orange. Put the string through the hole. Take the orange all the way over almost to the end and then tie the string together to keep the orange in place. Take another orange and do exactly the same. Keep the oranges a few centimeters apart. And then tie that one together to keep it in its place. Carry on with another 5-6 oranges or however many you want. And now you have a beautiful orange garland. Now take a few branches. We're going to make a door decoration. Take some twine and tie 2 branches together. Cut the excess twine off. Make sure the branches are secure enough. Then tie the other 2 branches together. Cut the excess twine off and make sure they're secure. Not like mine that fell apart. They weren't secure enough. So I had to redo them. So if you've screwed up like I did, well, redo it. When you're done, tie the 3rd bit together so it's all secure in a triangle. Then cut any excess twine off. Now pick 2 of your leaves and branches and place them in a nice aesthetic of your choice. Tie the leaves and branches together by the stalk of the leaf and make sure it's secure. Cut any excess twine off. Pick another leaf and place it wherever you want in a nice aesthetic and then tie that up together and cut any excess twine off. Take a pine cone or an orange or anything of your choice and tie that up together with the rest of the leaves. Make sure it looks visually pleasing. but what that means is up to you. Then make a little loop and tie that together by the upper end of the triangle. This will be where you hang it from. And after that's done, cut any excess twine off if there is any, and then you have a beautiful door decoration. If you have any excess branches and leaves and pine cones left over, you can make a nice center table piece which you can just place together. You don't even have to tie anything together. So there we have it. We have 5 different Christmas decorations that come in no plastic, no paper, no packaging, and come from the environment which surrounds us daily. So what's better than that? So thank you for being here with me today, and thank you for making with me. I hope your decorations were successful, and if they weren't, well, it happens. But share with me what you've made in the comments below, or message me on Instagram, and let's keep this conversation flowing about sustainability. And if you weren't so successful at this time, well, there's plenty more time until Christmas to get your decorations sorted, so do not worry about it. There is plenty of time. And if you have any more ideas which I didn't cover in this video, please tell me in the comments below as well. And I will see you in the next video, which will be up very, very soon. And for now, bye!